Okay, so what you have here is the F10 Shoebox Compressor. And the purpose of this was to pressurize above what a normal compressor could do in order to fill air rifles and scuba gear, scuba tanks, generally for air rifles mostly. This was supposed to be a compromise between price, I guess affordability, and being able to do what the more expensive compressors for filling air rifles and scuba equipment can do. Unfortunately, I never actually had a chance to use this because by the time I got around to doing things, there was better, cheaper options on the market, such as the Yongheng Chinese air compressor, which did everything in one step. And not only did it do everything in one step, it did everything more quickly. This shoebox compressor would take compressed air from a normal shop compressor and compress it again up to 3,500, 4,000 psi, which of course normal shop compressors can't do. And it would take a very long time in order to accomplish that task. And then after that, you would have a lot of maintenance issues. You would have internal lubrication, changing different parts in and out to keep this thing running. But this is a good example of something that is, I guess, obsolete. It was what it was for the time, but now it's relegated to essentially the scrap bin. And the company which actually made this is no longer in business. I'm sure this was a fine product and accomplished what it needed to do, but time has passed it by. And so it's in deep storage. Perhaps I will try to sell this to someone who might be nostalgic for the good old days, if they were good, and get some use out of this, because this thing is essentially brand spanking new, never plugged in, not one cc of air has passed through this in operation. All right, so into storage it goes.